It's Tuesday, December 19th. We're back here working.
I got these gizmos. So you can put the hose
Doug
right
and George are hard at it.
Take away all the joints.
I think.
But I don't know how to fasten that to that.
So we worked a little bit Saturday. Got our
Keep it from wanting to,
air compressor
you know,
in, built this shelf
now if I go to these,
to put the air compressor on. Got an outlet over there for it to plug in.
female, and then you just screw.
Yeah, I think you're better off with that.
Got our tank drain right under here,
That,
so we can drain the tank from out here.
Yeah.
so you can screw that in there, and you can tighten the plate or put washers in between it.
Air compressor is on a switch up here in the top, so that will turn the air compressor on and off from in here, so we don't even have to open the compartment up. We're making progress. Figured out that we can cable into a speaker from the TV, which I think we're going to mount an AM/FM car radio there, put some speakers here and at the back, so when we're at the races, watching the races, we can hear it all throughout the trailer. Update on the cabinets. They have been ordered, should be here early February. Tire racks that are going there have been ordered, as well as the carpet from Intech. The carpet has shipped already, and the tire rack should be here in about 2 weeks. Well, here goes nothing. See it?
Yes. Perfect. Actually, 1 inch above the aluminum lip.
Good deal.
You want me to stick a screwdriver through it and tape on the wire?
I'm gonna try and shove the wire through.
Okay. You got your gasket?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Yep.
You kind of push it. Got it. Tell me when.
You're all the way in.
Okay. I don't know if them screws will go through that sheet metal on its own.
I got a little 16th inch bit here.
Okay. You want me to get the ladder and hold it for you?
Can you grab that red handle pocket screwdriver on my side of the bag?
That's not big enough. Oh. That's the thicker aluminum. Is a good thing.
Silicone. Before I.
Oh, fuck! I didn't bring it.
That's what you went over there to get.
That's what I went over to get. Oh, you got one. Got it. You smear some over the screw holes or not?
Got enough on my
Got
finger
it?
too.
Okay. Tighten up?
Yes.
Good.
They're tight, but I don't know if they're leak or not.
Well, if they tightened up, they shouldn't leak. Not with the Teflon tape. Looks good. The wire stayed through, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to set that, put that where you want, and nail it?
Well, I think what I'm gonna do is get the air hose over there a little further
Okay.
and see. I mean, I got plenty to work with, but I got my T here figured out. I just,
Very good. They tightened up nice too. There you
Looks good, Jason. Looks like Intech did it.
go. Looks like we knew what we're doing.
Yeah.
if you hear that word, I'm gonna turn it off. Edit that.
Some days a blind squirrel finds a nut. Some days. Now to get them wired up. Well, Nicholas will be able to see doing tires now. Yeah, that'll work out perfect.
Yeah, you'll be able to see.
Yeah. Not too bad for a dumb kid from Dupo.
I say it looks pretty damn good.
Well, good morning. It's Saturday, December 23rd. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. I just got here to the shop. Doug's on his way. We're going to work on the trailer some more today. Got a lot of stuff in. Got radio and speakers we're going to put in. The control boxes for the air conditioners. Carpet from Intech to go behind the tire racks that are going to go there. That come in Wednesday along with our tire racks. So the good thing about this is we've got plenty of time to sit around, think things out, work through things, kind of vision where we want to put stuff at. I've done trailer swaps in the middle of the race season and it's never any fun. I did it when I race micro sprints. Did it with my cousin when he raced late models, and ends up just everything gets thrown somewhere because you got to use it in a couple days. It's been nice with this. to kind of think things out, work through it, but it is definitely coming together very quickly. I would say by the middle of January, except for the cabinets we have ordered, we will have everything done that we need to get done, and we'll be ready to start buffing, polishing, waxing. So won't be long and it'll be race season. We've got to tie these wires up. This is how we ran the wires for our new outside lights. They're connected to this switch, which is also the back door light. Stay tuned, more coming up. Trying to get wire or something fished through there down to here, where we can pull it through, because the radio is going to mount right under here. That's our fuse box where we'll pick up power, but we are fighting it tooth and nail. They got an extra hole up there, so we're trying to get something to come down here. You'll never see this anyway, behind this panel. It's fighting us, but we're making an effort anyway. Well, we got wires fished through there on a miracle.
Are you ready for a new era of
the box come in today to mount that under there. It's at my house. It didn't get here this afternoon, but we got our speakers mounted.
They come loaded with all your favorite apps too, like iHeartRadio, so you can stream music, video, and podcasts straight out the box. So whether it's mesmerizing brightness, superior
so we'll see what happens here.
for streaming and gaming that you're after, these TVs have it.
It was a process, but it's done. Well, the radio sounds good. I can't let you hear it because copyright laws, but gonna be good. We can pipe the TV through it, so when we're at the track, we can watch the races on the TV and hear it throughout, where the old hauler we couldn't. That's gonna do it. Like I said, everybody have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment, and we will see you all next time.